Fancy foods are always more pleasing to the eye, but today I'm gonna show you guys a super healthy comfort food recipe, drumstick vegetable soup, or you can call it soupy curry. It's a simple one but highly satisfying when served with piping hot rice. Hello everyone, this is Madhvi and you are watching Mady's Nutri-delish with Mama's Touch. Vegetables like pointed gourd, pumpkin and potatoes are perfect match for drumstick curry. I've taken pointed gourd and potatoes cut into quarters. You have to cut vegetables into big pieces. You can add pumpkin as well. The way you cut the vegetables or the way you cook has lot to do with the flavor and presentation of the recipe to be more appetizing. I learned this recipe from my granny as well as my mother, which I'm gonna share with you. For this recipe, I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 green chilies and ginger, which I'm gonna crush with the help of a mortar and pestle. And then take a heavy bottom pan or a kadhai, add in mustard oil. Once it gets nicely heated, add in potato quarters. Also add in a pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Shallow fry it on high flame till it turns golden and keep it aside. Into the same oil, I have added 2 bay leaves, whole garam masala, 2 cloves ilaichi, dalchini, half teaspoon jeera, followed by pointed gourd and pumpkin if you have. Saute all the veggies on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes and then add in turmeric powder, red chili powder, cook it for more 2 minutes and then make a space at the center, reducing the flame to its lowest. Add in a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, dhania powder, then add in crushed green chili and ginger. Mix it well and saute it on high flame for more 2 minutes. Now add in tomatoes along with some salt and some sugar to balance the taste. Mix it really well and then I'm going to add in drumstick. Give it a good mix and then adding in fried potatoes. Mix it nicely and then cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame till tomatoes get mushy. 5 minutes later, let's check. It has turned aromatic and looks quite tempting. At this stage, add in required amount of water as per your requirement. Cover and cook it on medium to high flame for 10 minutes till all the veggies get cooked. Let's check. The vegetables are nicely cooked. At this point, add in half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Remember not to overcook the veggies. Cover and allow it to rest for 5 minutes and my super delicious drumstick soupy curry is ready to serve. You can serve it with piping hot rice or you can simply enjoy a bowl of hot drumstick soup as your lunch or dinner. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share my recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.